Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we delve into the intriguing topic of attracting a specific person and igniting their desire for you. Our purpose is to equip you with the tools and insights necessary to ensure that you remain on their mind consistently. By harnessing the power of your mind, you can create the connections you desire, transforming your thoughts into reality. It's essential to understand that your mindset plays a crucial role in shaping your relationships and influencing how others perceive you. We'll explore techniques that empower you to manifest love and attraction, encouraging you to believe in your innate ability to draw someone closer. This journey is not just about wishful thinking, it's about actively engaging with your thoughts and emotions to cultivate a magnetic presence. As we navigate through this process together, we aim to inspire confidence and positivity, reminding you that you hold the key to your romantic destiny. So, get ready to unlock the secrets of attraction and learn how to make a lasting impression on that special someone, ensuring they think of you often and desire you deeply. Let's embark on this transformative journey together. Navigating the feelings associated with no contact can be incredibly frustrating, especially when you find yourself waiting for someone to take the initiative to reach out. This period of silence often amplifies the longing for connection, leaving you yearning to be the center of that person's universe. The absence of communication can evoke a mix of emotions, from sadness to anxiety, as you wonder if they think of you as much as you think of them. It's natural to crave that closeness and intimacy, to feel valued and desired by someone special. However, instead of remaining in this state of limbo, it's essential to shift your mindset from no contact to the possibility of constant contact. This transition involves taking proactive steps to foster communication and connection, allowing you to express your feelings and desires openly. By embracing this change, you can transform the dynamic of your relationship, moving from a place of uncertainty to one filled with engagement and mutual interest. Ultimately, the goal is to create a bond that not only satisfies your longing for connection but also establishes a deeper, more meaningful relationship. To effectively imprint thoughts on someone's mind, it's essential to understand the process of sending vibrational messages that can influence their thoughts and feelings. This begins with the recognition that our thoughts emit energy, which can resonate with others on a subconscious level. By focusing your intentions and sending out positive vibrations, you can create a powerful connection that encourages the other person to think of you. Believing in your power as a co-creator of reality is crucial. When you truly embrace this belief, you unlock the potential to shape your interactions and relationships. It's not just about wishing for someone to notice you, it's about actively participating in the creation of that reality. Visualization plays a key role in this process. Take time to imagine your specific person and the bond you share, picturing moments of joy, laughter, and intimacy. As you visualize this connection, infuse it with emotion and clarity, allowing those feelings to amplify the vibrational messages you send. By consistently practicing these mental techniques, you can effectively influence their thoughts and foster a deeper connection, making it more likely that they will think of you often and desire your presence in their life. To begin this visualization exercise aimed at connecting with your specific person, first, find a safe and quiet space where you can fully immerse yourself in the experience without distractions. Once you're settled, take a moment to focus on your breath. Inhale deeply through your nose, allowing your lungs to fill completely, and then exhale slowly through your mouth. Repeat this process several times, letting each breath relax your body and calm your mind. As you settle into this state of relaxation, envision your specific person in your mind's eye. Picture them smiling and radiating warmth, and imagine them thinking about you with affection and desire. Visualize the moments you shared together, feeling the connection between you grow stronger with each breath. Allow yourself to feel the emotions associated with this bond, joy, love, and excitement. As you continue to visualize, affirm to yourself that this connection is real and powerful. Imagine their thoughts filled with longing for you, and see them reaching out to you, eager to deepen your relationship. Stay in this visualization for several minutes, soaking in the feelings of love and connection, before gently bringing your awareness back to the present moment. To reinforce your connection with your specific person, it's essential to incorporate affirmations that emphasize your importance in their mind. Start by finding a comfortable position and take a deep breath. As you exhale, begin to repeat affirmations such as, "I am always on their mind," "They desire me deeply," and "Our connection grows stronger every day." These affirmations serve as powerful reminders of your worth and the bond you share. Remember, the power of belief plays a crucial role in manifesting your desires. When you truly believe in these affirmations, you align your energy with the reality you wish to create. As you repeat each affirmation, focus on the feelings they evoke within you. Visualize the energy of these words resonating in your heart and mind, creating a vibrant connection with your specific person. Allow yourself to feel the excitement and joy that comes with knowing you are significant to them. Repeat these affirmations daily, infusing them with emotion and conviction, and watch as your belief transforms your reality, drawing you closer to the love and connection you desire. Embrace this practice as a powerful tool for manifestation and connection. Expecting the desired outcome in relationships is a crucial aspect of manifesting the love and connection you seek. It's important to cultivate an attitude of anticipation, encouraging you to expect contact and pursuit from your specific person. When you approach your relationship with this mindset, you send out positive vibrations that align with your desires, making it more likely for them to respond in kind. Remember, you are the master of your reality. Your thoughts and beliefs shape the experiences you attract. By maintaining a confident expectation of a loving connection, you empower yourself to create the relationship you envision. To maximize the impact of this practice, it's beneficial to incorporate these techniques into your daily routine. Regularly visualize your desired outcome, repeat affirmations that reinforce your worth, and engage in exercises that foster a sense of connection. The more consistently you practice these techniques, the stronger your belief will become, and the more effectively you will manifest your desires. Embrace the power of expectation, knowing that you have the ability to influence your reality and draw your specific person closer to you, creating the fulfilling relationship you truly desire. In summary, we've explored several key techniques for attracting a specific person and igniting their desire for you. We discussed the power of sending vibrational messages, the significance of visualization, and the effectiveness of affirmations to reinforce your connection. Each of these methods emphasizes the importance of belief in your ability to manifest your desires. By visualizing your specific person thinking about you and feeling the emotions associated with that connection, you create a powerful energetic alignment that draws them closer. Remember, your mindset and expectations play a crucial role in shaping your reality, so maintain a positive outlook as you practice these techniques regularly. If you found this content helpful and inspiring, we encourage you to engage with us. Please subscribe to our channel for more insights and tips on manifesting love and connection. Don't forget to like this video and share it with others who may benefit from these techniques. Your support helps us create more valuable content to guide you on your journey to attracting the love you desire. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.